Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook friend request problem. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, let's just go ahead and check our account status. You can go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Now go ahead and tap on your profile. And then just go ahead and tap on the three dots. Now tap on profile status. Now, if you got the check mark, well, you should be good to go. Now, if you got red right here, or if you see a warning, your account has been temporarily restricted from sending requests. So you must wait a few days for the automated ban to lift. Now, if your problem is you cannot see the add button, okay, for example, this one right here, or when you go ahead over to a profile, you can't see the add button. Well, it is usually a privacy or boundary configuration rather than an app glitch. So for example, if the recipient configures their settings to friends of friends, you will not see the add option unless you share a mutual contact. So what you can do to fix that is that you can go ahead and send them a direct message on Messenger to ask them to add you instead. Now, another example, maybe you have hit the friend request limit or friend limit. All right, let's say you have 5,000 friends already. I would like for you to know that Facebook profiles are capped to 5,000 friends. If either you or the recipient has hit this total, incoming and outgoing requests are disabled. So if you want to, you can turn on professional mode on your profile to bypass this limit and let people follow you instead. Now, if you want to enable professional mode, again, do the same exact three dots. You can go ahead and find unlock your profile first if it's locked, and then professional mode right here will be available. Okay, if that still won't work, well, let's go ahead over to our settings right here. Tap on it, tap on settings. Go ahead over to audience and visibility. Okay, right here. Now, go ahead and tap on how people find and contact you. Now tap on who can send you friend requests and make sure that it is set to everyone. Okay, and that is how you fix Facebook friend request problem. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.